Hello, it's Mrs. P here. I hope you're well. This is my friend Concept Cat. We're going to tell a story. Concept Cat is a clever cat. He looks here and he looks there, learning as he goes. And when he comes home, he tells a story. Concept Cat is a clever cat. This story is all about long. Listen out for the word long. At home one day, Concept Cat was helping Mum in the garden. She said, "Please go and find something long. I need a long thing." Concept Cat nodded, but he did not know what long meant. So he set off to find out all about long. First, Concept Cat found a ball. Maybe that was long. He showed it to Mum. "No," she said, "I need something long. The ball is not long." Concept Cat went off again and found a key. He showed it to Mum. "No," she said, "I need something long. The key is not long." Next, Concept Cat found a spoon. He showed it to Mum. "Yes," she said, "the spoon is long. And this ribbon is long too." The ball was not long. The key was not long. The spoon was long. Concept Cat, what a clever cat. He knows all about long.